We will begin by prepping all of our toppings and greasing a muffin tin. We are opening up a can of butter flavored biscuits. Any brand will do. We are going to divide each biscuit in half and press them into the muffin tin and preheat our oven to 350 degrees. While the oven's preheating, we are going to fill each with about a tablespoon of marinara sauce and a generous helping of mozzarella cheese, and top with the toppings of your choice. Beware that these will rise a little bit in the oven, so be cognizant. We're going to start by baking these for 12 to 20 minutes, depending on the temperature set of your oven and how you prefer your pizza to be cooked. Start with the pickles of your choice. Grab some paper towel and pat them dry. Room temperature cream cheese, about 1 brick, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of ranch powder, and mix those together very well. With your pickles, you want to trim the ends and grab some deli ham slices. Thin is optimal. We are going to spread a nice layer of cream cheese over our deli ham. It also does help if the ham is patted dry as well. And from one side, we are going to start rolling our roll up. Once we've completed with that, we're going to stick in a couple of toothpicks, 3 to 4, depending on the size ham roll up you'd like, and give them a cut. Put them on a tray, and voila. Fry 8 slices of bacon, crispy and crumble. Into a small bowl, mix 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, and about 1 tablespoon of dry ranch seasoning. With our cream cheese mixture, we will take about 1 tablespoon and roll it into a ball. And we are going to continue this through all of the mixture, laying individually onto a tray. Into a small bowl, we will add 1/3 cup fresh chives, 1/3 cup pecans, and our crumbled bacon. We're going to roll our cream cheese balls in this mixture and proceed to chill for 1 hour and serve. Start by activating 1 packet of active dry yeast in 1 cup of warm water about 110 degrees with 2 tablespoons of sugar, and leave set for about 10 minutes. While we wait, into a mixing bowl we will take 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix them together till combined. Once the flour and salt are combined, add in your activated yeast, and we're going to let that mix until it starts to come together, adding 1 tablespoon additional flour at a time until the entire bowl becomes clean. And we're going to continue to mix for 5 to 7 minutes until nicely elastic. We're going to place our dough ball into a greased bowl and leave on the counter for 1 hour to rise. Once the dough has doubled, we are going to punch it down and divide into 2 equal size slices. Bring it into a ball, and we are going to leave that sit for 5 to 7 minutes underneath a kitchen towel. While we wait, we will take 1/2 cup of butter, 3 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, and 1 pinch of salt, and mix together well. Back to the dough, we will roll it into roughly a 14 by 8 sheet. Add a little bit of your butter parsley mixture and spread over the dough. We're going to sprinkle about 1/2 cup of cheddar jack cheese and 2 tablespoons of Parmesan to top. Roll into a 14-inch log, pinch seams to seal, and with seam side down, you're going to cut most of the way through in about 1-inch increments along the log. Carefully transfer to a baking sheet, cover with a kitchen towel, and leave rest for 20 to 25 minutes. Spread remaining butter mixture over top, and on a greased sheet, we are going to bake at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes until deep golden brown. Serve with marinara or the dipping sauce of your choice. Into a small bowl, we will take 6 tablespoons of Orville Redenbacher's popcorn oil, 1.5 teaspoons of cayenne pepper, and 2 tablespoons of ranch powder. Whisk together well Into a large bowl, we'll take 1 pound bag of mini pretzel twists and dump the oil mixture over top. Make sure to scrape out all of the seasonings, they are very important. Lightly toss with a spatula until all of the pretzels are evenly coated. Serve and enjoy. Into a small bowl, mix 3/4 cup graham cracker crumbs, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, and 4 tablespoons of salted melted butter. Mix well until crumbs are moist. Into a muffin tin, place liners and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of the graham cracker crumb mixture. Press each down, a 1/4 cup measure works phenomenal for this. Into a mixing bowl, place 1 brick of cream cheese and mix on low speed until creamy. Add 1/2 cup of sugar, continue to mix on low until combined. Once combined, we will add 1/2 cup of sour cream and continue to mix until combined, adding 3/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. We will continue to add 2 eggs beaten, preferably room temperature. Spoon cheesecake mixture in 1 to 1.5 tablespoons per cup. I like to use this cookie spoon. And bake in the oven at 325 degrees for 17 to 20 minutes or until the edges are just beginning to turn slightly golden brown and centers are set. Refrigerate for 3 hours and top with the pie filling of your choice. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out.